Good morning. Today we are going to see about impact of media and virtual space. Synopsis. Introduction, media and gender. Gender representation in media and virtual space. Gender bias discrimination in media. The impact of media and conclusion. First we are going to see about what is gender. Gender refers to the characteristics of women, men, girls and boys that are socially constructed. This includes norms, behavior, and roles associated with being a woman, man, girl, or child, as well as a relationship with each other. So, how we are exposed to one another is known as gender. Next is gender in media. Media plays a large role in influencing the younger generation. So, the younger generation were influenced mostly by this media. The impact of media and visual space on gender can be seen in a variety of ways, from the way gender is portrayed in popular culture to the way gender bias discrimination is expressed online. Next, gender representation in media and virtual space. The media and virtual space have had a significant impact on how gender is represented. So, from what are the sources they are exposed, or television and movie to online platform, gender roles or identifies and often portrayed in ways that reinforce traditional gender stereotype. This can lead to a lack of diversity in the way gender is represented, creating a limited view of gender roles and identities. At the same time, media and visual space can be also provided opportunities for challenging traditional gender roles and identities by creating new forms of by creating new forms of media and visual space, people can explore gender in new and innovative ways, creating a more diverse and inclusive views of gender. Next comes gender bias in media. Many magazines have sexualized images on cover of women. These days, media try to attract its audience with the images of women with little clothing, expression, body language, and gestures. Media are teaching people and children that these things are what is important instead of actually important thing going on the world. Men and women are constantly being sexuality on different forms of media. Example, there are so many ads like bike ads, perfume ads, etc. Objectification of women and at times assuming multitasking and unrealistic expectations are normal. Knowledge about gender in communication, because we are surrounded by media, giving blue and pink clothes for boys and girls. The impact of media and virtual space. The media and virtual space have also had a major impact on gender identity. From the way gender is portrayed in popular culture to the way gender is expressed online, media and virtual space can shape our understanding of gender roles and identities. This can lead to a more diverse and inclusive view of gender, allowing people to explore and express this gender in new innovative ways. Media and visual space can also be used to reinforce traditional gender roles and identities. By creating new forms of media and visual spaces, people can explore gender in new and innovative ways, creating a more diverse and inclusive view of gender. Conclusion. The impact of media and visual space on gender has been significant, from the way gender is portrayed in popular culture to the way gender based discrimination is expressed online. Media and visual space have had a major impact on gender roles and identities. This had created more diverse and inclusive view of gender, allowing people to explore and express this gender in new and innovative ways. At the same time, media and virtual space can also be used to reinforce traditional gender and identities. So these are the references. Thank you.